Did you complain today? Hold on a minute. Don't change the channel. I just wanted to ask you a quick question. Did you complain about something today? Now, you don't have to answer me because I don't want to hear it. No, I'm just joking. This short video here is really about a challenge, and I want to issue you a challenge, my friend. Once again, Santos Jr., aka Soldier of Self-Mastery, Philosopher of Everyday Victorious Living, at your service right out of Stockton, California. I'm gonna keep this one short. By the way, remember to give me a thumbs up. Support this mission financially, my friend, if you're getting something, when you get something out of this. And if you need some support, you need some coaching of some sort, whatever it is, my information will be below this video. Now let's get into the meat here. We're talking about complaint. I don't like to be around complainers. In fact, I don't like to be around myself, especially when I used to complain. I used to be a little bit of a complainer. I've gotten kind of hold on that. I've had an awakening, if you will. And I want to encourage you, my friend. I want to challenge you to think about that word complain. I want you to challenge yourself here, okay? And towards the end of this video, I'm going to issue a little bit more of a guideline regarding this activity that many people fall prey to and they become a victim of. And of course, anything that we do repetitively over time becomes a habit. So, and if you look up the word complain, I don't know if you've ever done that. Go online, go to the dictionaries and look up the word complain. But you find some pretty interesting things about that word. So, part of our recovery, or a good portion of our transformation is learning to become more grateful, learning to become more thankful, learning to find the good, learning to look for the best in others and in ourselves and in the experiences that come our way, because there's going to be some challenges that are going to face you at times that you're going to want to pull your hair out. Of course, you don't want to do that either. So Santos, come on, what are you getting at? What I'm getting at is that when you begin to focus on you and on others, and you see that complaining spirit, especially if it's repetitive, our children, our spouses, our co-workers, or maybe even a business partner, we can stand back, and I'm also referring to ourselves individually. We need to stand back and say, is this helping me? Is this going to make a good difference in my life? Is this going to accomplish a goal here? It really isn't. In fact, people don't really want to be around complainers. I know that when I was doing this, and until I had an awakening, I began to really challenge myself every single day. And as soon as I get up, I'm done with my 15-minute mornings, BLC, Breakfast of Champions. I begin to focus, right? That's a main thing. You want focus. And again, part of your recovery, part of your transformation, if you're a person that's been hooked on something, or you are working on defeating and crushing a certain particular habit, in particular, maybe it's problem gambling, you'll find that the less that you complain, the less that you look for the negativity, it's going to lift your spirit up, my friend. And more people will gravitate towards you. More people will want to be around you, because the truth is, we want to be around people that are going to lift us. We want to be around people that are going to be encouragement, right? I mean, who wants to hang around a whiner? Really? I mean, if somebody wants to be around a whiner, just go down to these local places where they have wine tasting, and you can be around all kinds of whiners. I'm just joking. But the truth is, complaining is it's like become an American tradition, and we need to move away from that. We need to absolutely get away from complaining. And I'm challenging you, my friend, okay? Take a good look at yourself, just as I take a really good look at myself. And over the next 2 to 3 days, catch yourself. Become more conscious of what you're saying and what you're doing and how you're reacting. Not reacting, come on, Santos, responding to situations. I'm telling you, my friend, it's going to lift your spirit. when you find yourself complaining less and less every single day. Go from 3 days to 6, from 6 days to 12, and next thing you know, you're building a great habit for yourself, especially if you're in the phase of recovery, my friend. So with that said, I'm issuing the challenge. I'm accepting the challenge. In fact, I accepted the challenge a while back, and it's been phenomenal. I look for the good. I'm very grateful. I'm very thankful. I'm always looking at the cup as half full, not as half empty. It'll make a difference in your life. It'll make a difference in your family, my friend, at your place of work and whatever else, wherever else you go. So, will you accept that challenge? Think about it. Please give me a thumbs up. Share this video if you enjoyed it. Don't be a cheesecake. Comment below. And if you need some help, my friend, if I make sense to you, if you feel the vibe and you want to talk to me about something that's going on in your life that you need somebody to help you with, set some goals, or whatever, my friend, my office, my website will be below. I'll catch you on the very next one. And remember to make every day super fantastic, terrific, and over the top in spite of and because of. I'll catch you at the top on the inside on my very next one. Peace through strength. And what else did I want to say? I guess that's it, my friend. I salute you. Peace.